Thinking about downsizing, but not sure where to start? I'm Phil Cena with the Blue Coast team. And if you're a homeowner in Sarnia-Lambton considering a move, let's talk about how to make downsizing a step forward, not a step back. For many people, downsizing means less maintenance, more financial freedom, and the chance to simplify their life. Whether you're looking for a bungalow, a condo with amenities, or just a home that is easier to manage, the key is to plan ahead. Start by getting clear on what you want next. Then we can build a timeline that works for your goals. Think about your move in and move out dates, whether you will need temporary housing, and how much flexibility you have. Decluttering is a big part of the process, so start small, one room at a time, and be honest with yourself. What do you really want to bring into your next chapter? When you are ready to sell, we will help you showcase your home with in-house staging, beautiful marketing, and a plan that makes the transition as smooth as possible. Downsizing can feel like a big change, but with the right support, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's make it feel like the fresh start it really is. Reach out to the Blue Coast team and let's talk about what comes next for you.